nakilala na ito ni Archie. Boss, saan po dito yung papuntang ano?
Pala yun?
Lakas ang ulan.
Lakas na. Wala ko pala ka-raincoat ka.
Hindi, nag-jacket na nga lang ako eh.
Oo, muntik na mag-raincoat pero pagdating dito, ano eh, paiba-iba eh, may part na. Baka may pahanap na ng mga record si Brigada.
Cheating na mga sa messenger mo.
Messenger?
Oo. Sabihan pala muna natin si Aaron.
A few moments later.
Medyo lubak. Aray ko.
It's too late, baby, there's no turning around. I got my hands in my pocket and my head in the cloud. This is how I do when I think about you. I never thought that you could break me apart. I keep a sinister smile and a hole in my heart. You wanna get inside, and you can get in line, but not this time. 'Cause you caught me off guard, and now I'm running and screaming. I feel like a hero when you were my heroine. I won't try to philosophize, so just take a deep breath and a look in your eyes. This is how I feel, and it's so surreal. I got a closet filled up to the brim with the ghosts of my past and the skeletons, and I don't know why you'd even try, but I won't lie. 'Cause you caught me off guard, and now I'm running and screaming. I feel like a hero, and you were my heroine. Do you know that your love is the sweetest sin? Another day, another normal day, and this is my head start. Stop for an hour, gone by the minute. I thought I saw a spark, a leap of faith, so unexpectedly. I never saw you coming.
Lumagpas tayo sa Shell. Hindi, malayo-layo pa. Okay. Hindi dito. Dire-diretso lang, Chi. Una ka na.
Laging magkatabi, masaya araw at gabi, magkasukob sa isang bubong, pareho ang ibinubulong. Mahal kita, mahal mo rin ako, habang atin ang mundo, para bang walang kapaguran, ang ligayang nararamdaman. Isang iglap, lahat ay nag-iba, mga mata ngayoy may luha na, di rin pala magkakasundo, kaya biglang nagkalayo. Iiyak na lang, iiyak na lang, di mo ba alam mayroong nasasaktan? Iiyak na lang.
Hilera natin pa ganun. Ay, gagi. Tignan mo nga. Ayun, no?
Broken this fragile thing now, and I can't pick up the pieces. And I've thrown my words all around, and I can't give you a reason. I feel so broken up, and I give up. I just wanna tell you so you know. Here I go, scream my lungs out and try to get to you. You are my only one, I let go. There's just no one who gets me like you do. You are my only one. Made my mistakes, let you down, and I can't hold on for too long. Ran my whole life in the ground, but I can't get up when you're gone. Something's breaking up, I feel like giving up.
Gagi, lakas. Wala signal.
Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y maghahasik ng kaligayahan. Bitawan mong unang salita, ako ay handa nang tumapak sa lupa. Tapos na ang paghihintay, nandito ka na, oras ay naiinip na dahan-dahan. Sinasamsam bawat gumita, na para bang tayo'y di natatanda. Ligayang na'y nasa huli, sambit na ng iyong mga labi, parang isang panaginip ang muli mapabigyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama, ang dati ay baliwala. Nakita rin ang ating landas, wala nang iba akong hinihiling kundi ika'y pagmasdan. Mundo ko ay iyong liyanin.
Ba't pala pag ano natin yung motor eh, no? Para kit background ito. Sayang eh.
Wow.
Kaya mo pang i-ano, dikit konti kay Aaron.
Ba ang aawitin o giliw ko? Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin o giliw ko? 3 oras na akong nagpapakit sa'yo, di mo man lang napapansin ang bagong t-shirt ko. Sagutin mo lang ako, aking sintay, walang humpay na ligaya.